Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Finally, Bitcoin's price action has decisively broken out of the downward trending resistance that had been capping its movements since the 31st of January, a trend line that persisted for 11 days. This breakout propelled Bitcoin from the lows of 94,800 to an intraday high of 98,300, before stabilizing around 97,400 at the time of recording. Structurally, this move is supported by the 21 and 50 EMA on the 1-hour chart, reinforcing the bullish case in the short term. Looking at the daily chart, a green dot has finally printed on the wave trend indicator, aligning with an RSI reading of 41, suggesting momentum could be shifting back to the bulls. However, for a more sustained move, we need to see follow-through in the coming sessions. Zooming out to historical trends, the Bitcoin monthly returns currently stand at a minus 4.8% loss for February. When we compare this with previous cyclical bull market years, 2013, which saw a plus 61.77% gain, 2017, which had plus 23.07%, and 2021, which registered plus 36.78%, we notice a stark contrast. If history were to follow its usual rhyme, a significant recovery could be on the horizon. However, unlike those cycles, price action now appears more reactive to macroeconomic uncertainties and global news events, which introduces a layer of unpredictability. Despite the short-term technicals aligning with a potential bounce, the overwhelming wave of bullish narratives flooding social media today raises questions. Market sentiment is often a lagging indicator, and when mainstream optimism reaches this level, contrarian caution is warranted. Michael Saylor just dropped another bombshell, revealing that Strategy, formerly known as MicroStrategy, has acquired another 7,633 Bitcoin for $742.4 million at an average price of $97,255 per Bitcoin. This brings their total holdings to 478,740 Bitcoin, acquired for $31.1 billion at an average of $65,033 per Bitcoin. On top of that, he claims their Bitcoin yield is already at 4.1% year-to-date for 2025. MicroStrategy doubling down once again, Saylor stays undefeated. BlackRock's IBIT ETF, now the largest Bitcoin ETF globally, is on the brink of overtaking the world's largest gold ETF in total assets under management. This shift represents a profound change in capital flows, further solidifying Bitcoin's position as a macroeconomic asset. Tesla's latest financial disclosures confirm an increase in its Bitcoin holdings to 11,509 Bitcoin, signaling continued corporate conviction in the asset class. Old whales remain firm in their positions, but what's more intriguing is the rise in fresh liquidity entering the market. The influx of new institutional capital suggests the early stages of an aggressive accumulation phase, a pattern typically seen before major bull runs. The implication is clear: large players are positioning themselves, and retail is once again left reacting. Join the free Discord for real-time market insights, trading strategies, and exclusive entry and exit points. Smash the like button if this analysis today provided any value. Subscribe and click the bell to stay ahead of the market, and see you in the next one.